y'all, as I'm editing this video, it is now December 24th, 2024, okay? So a couple days has passed. So I'm in Tractor Supply because I needed some feed, alright? But they was out of feed, but I also needed some acorns. If you're watching this, you notice the channel has now changed to Amazing Grace Garden, Kitchen, and Divine Treasures. So I needed some acorns for my Amazing Grace Treasures egg business. And also, y'all, if y'all starting up with baby chicks, Tractor Supply got you. They got a lot of kids. Alright, y'all, so I am back home. Went to Tractor Supply, had to get some feed. They didn't have the big bag, so I got a small bag of feed. And now it's like 70-some degrees. Tomorrow's supposed to be 70-some degrees. So late start because it's already maybe about probably almost 4 o'clock. So I'm in the greenhouse. So I'm about to plant this stuff that I done had for some weeks that I have not planted. Okay, so we are pretty much getting some stuff done. I think they are trying to get some of these leaves up. So my son down there trying to blow these leaves off, so it's just too many leaves around. They got a fire going, so, and I'm about to get in here and do some work.
I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine, and there's nothing that can bring me down. Like joy came in the morning, and the birds are singing sweet sounds. Ooh, the sun set me free. If I just believe I am. Ooh, vision is key, so if you can see, you can rise above it. So when life is life and trouble's troubling, issues pile up, remember, my friend, that God is greater than our problems. When it feels like you can't make it through, just find your gratitude. Gratitude. Just find your gratitude. Sunrise, there's so many ways to count your blessings. Yeah. In Him, we move and breathe and have a being. If you're alive, He's keeping you safe. Take it from me, a perfect life is fake. But perfect peace, it can be achieved through prayer. Is life and trouble is troubling, issues pile up. Remember, my friend, that God is greater than our problems. When it feels like you can't make it through, find your gratitude. Find your gratitude. Take my hand, follow me out of the land of anxiety, where we all overthink, giving our power to the enemy. In the midst of hurt and pain, I could have been dancing in the rain, with my mind on higher things and the joy you'll bring. So I have decided to choose you for anything else, anything else. There's no more room. There's no more room. I have decided. If it ain't lovely, if it ain't pure, I won't entertain it anymore. Now I choose you. In your word, we are free, breaking the chains of anxiety. Since I am as a thing, take my thoughts into captivity. This life is full of opinion, and everything wants my attention. Won't be shaken, I won't be moved. Set my mind on you. So I have decided to choose you for anything else, anything else. There's no more room. There's no more room. So I have decided to choose you for anything else, anything else, anything else. There's no more room. There's no more room. I have decided. If it ain't lovely, if it ain't pure, I won't entertain it anymore. Now I choose you. No room, no room. There is no more room. Your mind is full of me, so my mind will be staying on you. No room, no room, no room, no room. There is no more room. Your mind is full of me, so my mind will be staying on you. My mind will be staying on you. So I have decided to choose you for anything else. There's no more room. There's no more room.
Oh my goodness, look y'all. So I'm about to go in. I showed y'all what I got done. I'm probably gonna put a grow light out there, but probably not today, probably tomorrow, because it's gonna be warm tomorrow. But let me show you. Oh, they look what they did to the leaves. That looks so much better. So much better. But that ain't what I wanted to show you. Let me show you this. Who wanna harvest one of my first oranges? Look. That one right there is turning. I'm not gonna get that one. I want this one. I want this one. I want this one. Look. Oh, it's got a little bit more turning to do. Should I get it or should I wait? Should I get it? Oh, you smell it. Oh, I wish y'all could smell it. Oh my goodness. This one is turning. I want to get it so bad. We gonna get it because it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. Hey, I'ma get it. I'ma get it. And I got it. Oh yeah, we done had that cold, and my citrus trees is not, I repeat, is not. Hey, did not get wiped out. Even these, but I do need to water them because they looks kind of dry. Little dry. Look, y'all. Look. Oh my goodness. We gonna eat this one in a minute. All right, y'all. So I'm about to go in, but I wanted to show you. So I told you the bok choy and the Swiss chars and stuff, it'll bounce back after that cold. I am gonna put some plastic down next time, but remember I told you we got down to like, it said feel like 11 degrees, and I cleaned my bok choy up. I just watered it, and you see these the same bok choys. I was on live
when I clean some of them up. So they bounce back and be nice and healthy and full again once you clean off the things and just keep going. All this stuff was droopy. Look, don't give up on it. If it's cold tolerant, know what can take frost and really cold. It'll be droopy for a couple days. It'll get it together though. All right, y'all. So y'all saw me harvest. I don't know why this is kind of crooked like, but I'm gonna do this right here. Y'all saw me harvest our first orange. Now when I got the orange tree early this year, it had little bit, like 3 or 4 little bitty small oranges on it and whatnot. About like this. I left them on there and it took this long. That's a little green. Yes, you can eat oranges like that, because different varieties actually keeps a little green on them. Okay, the ones in the store we already know they done been, different things have been done to it. So I'm about, oh, it is so loud, louder than the ones in the store. So I'm gonna peel it and we are going to try our first orange. Now mind you, I got my citrus in the ground and they said, oh, you can't do it here, not in North Carolina, you can't do it here. Y'all know how I am. I would just keep them covered. I took them out the containers. They do good in the containers or whatnot, but I got other plans. Okay, but if you just want to have them growing, because if I have to leave this location, I'm gonna dig up my trees and take them with me. But for years I've had them, well, the other ones that I had, in containers, and they do fine. But like I say, I have other plans. But if you starting off or just want to do them in containers, they can grow in containers and still give you, they had fruit grapes on them and they was in the containers when I got them from the nursery. Okay, so, and the lemons, y'all, the little lemons that come off the tree, oh my goodness, so much better than the ones in the store. Oh my goodness, man, so much better than the ones in the store. Oh my goodness, soft, fresh, just almost melt in your mouth. So I'm eager to see how this this orange is. Y'all come get y'all orange. I wish the camera had smell-o-vision so y'all can smell.
Ooh, you can smell it in the back.
A regular orange you can't smell like that. But when you get out the store you can smell it, but not like this. Okay.
This is a different kind of smell. It's like an orange, but you can tell it's fresh.
Yes, very citrus. All right, so.
Ooh.
That's how it looks. Orange out of the backyard, y'all. Here we go. I want some.
That is so good. Refreshing and juicy.
Oh. What y'all think of our backyard oranges?
Oh, that's good. That's good.
That's good, huh?
Now, mind if I do. This is the best orange I've ever.
OJ. Here. Okay.
That is so good.
Around there, what you think?
Okay.
This little orange ain't gonna do nothing to you. He's saying he full. He don't want a piece of orange. He ate one, but don't want.
It's good.
You'll make somebody think something wrong with them.
Ain't nothing wrong with
It's not.
Like
They're
literally,
sweet and juicy.
it's more juicy than what you get at the store.
Oh my goodness. Oh, one day you didn't say what you thought. They good? He said they good. Oh my goodness. So good. Hold on, y'all, because I can't never chew. I've never been able to chew the whole orange. I ain't want to spit it out on camera, but I never been one to be able to chew the whole orange.
It's sweet and it's juicy, and you can tell like how fresh it is.
Mm-hmm.
Imagine making like orange juice with that.
You know how people be doing on their platform. Look at it. I open it so you can see the inside. Look at that. I'll peel it to get the inside out, cause the whole be hard. What?
You can tell like it's fresh. Like in normal store oranges, it's like it's fresh, but it's
chewy.
It's chewy.
Small. That one is
What's chewing?
The store oranges.
The store oranges.
They're chewy and they're like they.
So
taste
y'all don't consider this to be chewing?
No. Personally, I eat that quicker than the ones you buy from the store.
And then also the ones you buy from the store, as soon as you chew it and stuff, yeah, as soon as you chew it and stuff and you throw it away, you don't smell the orange like that. But this one, you can smell it.
It's all over my hands. So that was our first orange off the tree. I'm gonna let the other one turn orange a little bit. I think I got 2 more left on there, but I'm covering them up. Hopefully this spring and next year, guys, say the same, I get more, because they're young trees, okay? So everything that's producing, hopefully it just, okay? So y'all, that was so good. Growing food in your backyard. Y'all do this, because we don't need to do it. Now I done showed y'all container garden. Grow your stuff in containers if you have to. You can get so much, okay? I thought I had to burp. Excuse me, I did have to burp. So yeah, I'm happy. That was so refreshing, man. I wish I had more. You
And
think
they're
so?
juicy.
And they're juicy.
Like as soon as you bite into it, it just squirts you.
It was really good, y'all. Really good.